What's up, YouTube? Today I have another product. It's called the URBNFit Core Slider. Look just like this. It's a full body workout anytime. Workout on carpets, on floor. Just look just like that. And let's get it open. In my description, there will be a link and where to buy. Okay? Comes in just like this. When you buy it, tell you to leave a review. They also give you 1 week of green juice to boost your metabolism. Okay, and give you a full instruction of exercise you can do to help your core. Okay, check out the product. Look just like this. And I did try it. It's on the bottom a little scratch, but look just like that. Little 2 plates. Well, I'm gonna put it on the floor. I'm gonna show you a few workouts and check it out. Basically, you got your 2 plates. Your good slide. Okay, you can bring yourself up. These help you slide. They help you slide. Okay, that's one. Also, if you want, lock them up here. There's a whole bunch of different ones, but you could. And look, I'm doing arms. I'm doing abs. That was basically 2 of the exercise that you can do. There's a lot more. It did give me a workout. I only did a little bit. But I think they're awesome. And they're going to help me out big time to get into my fitness again. Well, like I said, in my description, there will be a link and where to buy. Like and subscribe.